Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. I believe my wife got this from Amazon. This is I believe it's a curtain. So let's go ahead and check this out. I don't even know what she bought, so this is the first time that I'm gonna see with you guys and do the unboxing. Make sure there's no invoice in here. Wow. I think she got a good deal with this or something. Is this a nice town? Functional, I guess, blind. 5-inch in Oliver Green. So that's the dimension right here, 52-inch by 95-inch. Nice town, Amazon.com. Wow, this is pretty nice material. Pretty soft, and it feels nice. So anyway, this is the loop for the bar. So you can loop in there into your bar, and then you can slide back and forth. It is pretty long. So I think Supreme should use this material. I'm not sure what kind of material is this. Actually, it's pretty nice. They should put it on their clothing line. Or PacSun. I mean, Palace skateboards. Or BBC. Trying to see the label, see where is it at. I don't see any label. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of those metal rings. There's a label here. What is this? Made in China. Oh, okay. It's 100% polyester. I don't know. Somehow this one just feel nice and thick. And then here is the other set. All right. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then turn on the bell for notification. Please drop in the comments below, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. All right, like always, peace.